Alright, so we're back on the F-150. Well, still on the F-150. And whoever had moved this truck at one point ran this strap around this twin I-beam setup, and they went around the brake line. So it ripped the brake line in half. I mean, not that there was much brake line left, but it's gonna need some love. And then it's also got a transmission cooler line leak, which is interesting. Let's see if I can switch this around here. Looks like there's a leak right there. So just some more fun stuff we're finding. But we're gonna get it running and rolling.